Hello there. In this video, I'll guide you through resolving the issue of the Shopify navigation tab not showing in your online store, specifically when menus are missing. Shopify recently updated their dashboard, which might be causing some confusion regarding the navigation tab visibility. To get started, log in to your Shopify store. Once you're logged in, head over to your online store section and click on Navigation. Here, you might notice a slight change. Shopify has now integrated the navigation feature into the Menus section under Content. If you're unable to find your navigation tab, simply click on Content and then choose Menus. This is where you can now manage your navigation items. For example, you can create a main menu by clicking on Add Menu Item. Let's say you want to add a tracking page. You can search for and add a page like 17 track here. After making your changes, remember to click Save. And that's it. You've successfully located and updated your main menu navigation in Shopify's new interface. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to drop any questions in the comments section. I made sure to reply to every comment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.